Yeah. Good shit.
Was that recorded?
No, I wish it was. Oh,
Dude, please do not record that. Dude, I don't want nobody to hear it. That was so bad. I mean, the beat's pretty sick. I'm gonna redo the drumming. The re-drumming was kind of whack. It's just gonna be a practice drum. So when the whole song goes, then I'll know how to do it.
Oh yeah, man. Go freestyle, man.
Wait, is that recording though?
No.
Because if it is, I'll go again.
What?
Is it recording? Because if it is, dude, I'll spit again. Just for fun.
Go ahead, dude.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
See, I fucking knew it. Fuck you, man. Turn that shit off, dude.
Nah. Yeah, it is on, nigga.
Dude, that's fucking grimy. Don't post that on Facebook. Please don't.
I don't even know how to do that shit.
Good.
But my phone could get as fuck.
Don't show this to anyone. Oh, God.